Welcome to everybody to my YouTube channel Digital North. Today we shall discuss about the political party system in India. So in this lesson we shall discuss about what are the party system that prevailed in India. So in this lesson we shall discuss about what is the national party system, what are the state party system, and what are the various criterion for the selection of or registration of national and state parties by the Election Commission of India. So now we shall discuss about the different party system in India. India has a multi-party system where political parties are classified as a national, state or regional level parties. The status of political party is reviewed periodically by the Election Commission of India. All parties are registered with the Election Commission. All registered parties contesting election needs to choose a symbol from a list of available symbols offered by the Election Commission. All 28 states of the country along with the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir, National Capital of Delhi, Union Territory of Pondicherry have elected government. Unless President's rule is imposed on certain conditions. Any party aspiring to state or national party status must fulfill at least one of the certain criteria or concerned criteria which is fixed by the Election Commission of India. In addition, national state parties have to fulfill this condition for all subsequent Lok Sabha or state election, or else they lose their election. The Election Commission determine the status of the political party as a national party or state party according to the data of the previous general election or state assembly election. On this background, on this criteria, the State Election Commission, the Election Commission of India give status to the political parties. Let us discuss about the criterion for the recognition of political parties as a national party or state party. So there are different criteria for the allotment of recognition of political party as the national political parties or state political parties. The Election Commission of India has laid down certain criteria for a party to be recognized as national or state level parties. So we will discuss about the Election Commission periodically review the status of the party as national party or state party. First of all, we discuss about what is the national party? What are the criteria that are fixed for determination of a national party? A registered party is recognized as national party only if it fulfills any one of the following three conditions. If any party fulfills any one of these three conditions, then that party is recognized as the national political party. First, it has to win a minimum of 2% of the seats in the Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states. Secondly, in general election, the party must manage to win 6% of votes and win at least 4 Lok Sabha seats as well all over India. So the party which secures 6% of vote all over India and attains 4 number of Lok Sabha seats. Thirdly, the party is recognized as state level party in 4 or more states. So if the party fulfills any one of these 3 or more criteria, then that party is recognized as the national party. Now we shall study about state party. What are the criteria that is required for the giving a registered political party as the status of the state party. A registered party is recognized as a state party only if it fulfills any one of the following criteria or following conditions. First, the party has to win at least 3 seats or 3% of the votes, 3% of the seats in the state legislative assembly. First criteria. Secondly, it has to win minimum 1 seats in Lok Sabha for every 25 seats or any fraction elected to that concerned state. Thirdly, in a particular election, the party has to beg at least 6% of total vote and also win 1 Lok Sabha or 2 assembly seats. The status of the state party can still be bestowed upon an entity even if it fails to win any seats in Lok Sabha or the assembly. If it manages to win at least 80% of total votes cast in the entire state, if the political party fulfills any one of the above criteria of these criteria, then that party is recognized as the state party. As per the latest publication from the Election Commission of India, the total number of parties registered was 2,599, with 6 national parties, 53 state parties, and 2,538 unrecognized parties. The Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India, CPI, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, the National Congress Party were national parties. The state parties are like BJD, YSA Congress, AIIMs of Hyderabad, TRS of Hyderabad, TDP, Telugu Desam Party of Andhra Pradesh, Shiv Sena, and MNS of Maharashtra, Akali Dal of Punjab, Rashtriya Janata Dal of Bihar, Janata Dal United of Bihar, Samajwadi Party of Uttar Pradesh, People's Democratic Party in Jammu and Kashmir, all Aam Aadmi Party, Indian National Lok Dal INLD, MINS of Maharashtra, Dravidia Munnetra Kadagam of Dravidia Munnetra Kadagam, All India Anna Dravidia Munnetra Kadagam of Tamil Nadu, Trinamool Congress of West Bengal, and National Conference of Jammu and Kashmir. These are the state parties. Thank you very much. In next video, we shall discuss about the major national political party. In first video, we shall discuss about the Indian National Congress.